Alright, good morning. Friday, we're looking to end the week right. Had a losing day yesterday. Just kind of made a similar mistake, took the same trade twice without, probably enough confirmation. Obviously, I have this level up here rejecting off in the pre-market, kind of right around those pre-market highs. If we want to maintain kind of this like bounce, this bullish momentum, I'd want to see a break, retest of this area. If we're kind of chopping in this range, then I'll just look to take trades at the extremes. Maybe we're rejecting up here and bouncing. What we'll look for. I really just want to try to let this play out a little bit. What's up, guys? Yeah.
Market literally went about 8:30. You guys looking at?
Nothing really. I already took my trades.
Yo, early morning sniper, dude. What's going on?
Yeah, dude. I took this one was at 7:15, so like over an hour ago.
Okay. How early are you watching now? Because it seems like you've been catching quite a few stuff in the.
I get on, or I check my phone at like 7 o'clock just to see what's going on, and then if I think that there's gonna be a setup or something soon, I'll get in the office and just watch it for a little bit.
Nice.
Was
But
this
I've
on
noticed,
Platinum?
like, yeah, platinum, like it makes its big opening move at 7:30 instead of 8:30.
Mm. You took a long into that like breakout.
No, I shorted after we like touch the top of like yesterday's high.
At 7:15 east.
Yeah.
Went a little higher now.
I'll show you. I'll send you a screenshot.
7:30.
Is it still that 4-hour fair value gap strategy?
No, this one was just area of resistance based off of yesterday's high.
Got you.
Tradeovate's platform looks so shitty.
Kind of far from it now, but I'm waiting for a trend break to the downside on ES. Same thing on Q.
There's your screenshot and trade chat.
Oh, you're central, right?
I guess it's 8:30 right now.
Oh, okay, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
Because I was looking at 7:15 east.
Oh no, that move up. Nah. No, sir.
Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah, nice,
Yeah.
nice, nice. And I see the previous resistance, like from what, yesterday?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, nice.
Thank you.
Got out close to the bottom too.
Yeah, I only took a single contract.
Yeah, it's kind of sketchy taking a lot.
Yeah.
I'd be really convicted to take more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've noticed that too though about platinum. Instead of the moves happening around like after 9 o'clock east, it happens around 8 o'clock east. Is 7 central.
Yeah. Like I've been.
That happens a lot.
I started trading it just based off of like when market would open 8:30 my time, and then I've noticed 7:30 for whatever reason has a lot of volume.
Makes a move right before that, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of time.
Mm-hmm.
Also notice that after like would it be like 11 central your time, the volume just dies out and there's like no
Yeah.
moves after that.
Yeah. I try not to hold anything past 11, but sometimes it just happens.
It's rare that like there's follow through on trend breaks and stuff after 11.
Yeah.
I have a trend to the downside on platinum, but still has a little ways to go, which would be like below 1024. You see that?
Yeah, like on the hourly.
I'm watching 15, but yeah, you can also see it on the hourly.
Oh, you're talking about this like quick one that formed like starting today?
From like 1 in the morning.
Yeah. There's a bigger one on the hourly,
Mm,
but yours
that's
is like
good.
yeah.
Yeah,
the
mine's tight. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that one on the hourly.
Yeah, I like that one. I'm waiting for that one too. If it can break like 1024
Yeah.
with some volume.
Not bad.
NQ's about to break the trend line ahead.
At NQ.
Hmm?
Did you say NQ is about to break a trend line?
Yeah. Looks a lot weaker than SPY. It's like right at the trend line right now. Bounced on it so far.
And like the 5 minute.
Take a little screenshot.
Yeah, I see one on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
If that's what you're talking about.
On NQ, yeah.
Yeah. Breaking it.
Yeah, it's breaking it now. I wish SPY would follow, but it's not.
And what a drop.
Do y'all enter off? I know you do, Scream. Do you still enter based off like the break of trend lines?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As soon as it's more of like a feel thing for me. If I see some volume start coming in, it feels like it's gonna like just tank. I'm
Yeah.
in as soon as I can. I would have taken that, but I don't really trade NQ.
You should change that. It'll change your life.
For worse.
You get addicted to the volatility. No, I'm joking. But it is nice. Like, yeah, you get a trend line break and it moves pretty good for you. You can make money fast. Just have to be careful with risk management, I guess.
That was such a sharp like drop though. I like the slow and steady breaks.
Yeah.
Yeah, right back up.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind the retest around like 350 maybe. Got an EMA there. Swing low. It looks weak. Maybe look for continuation of the downside. I don't know. It did bounce off like a. Well. Dang, it did reject right off that 350. I was just trying to wait for confirmation. See if it comes back up.
I don't like how it's just hanging out.
Yeah. I mean, that initial touch up in that area was nice. Drops like 30 points, but... Oh. Yeah, I missed it, unfortunately.
It might be the SPY that's kind of holding it up a little. The SPY's still on a downtrend, but still strong.
He'll be back.
Sounds good. Yeah, now it's looking like it wants to hold in this area.
SPY's getting weaker. I think if SPY breaks the trend, it can. NQ will probably follow. There we go.
Yeah, maybe I should have entered on that second retest. I just didn't like the way it held so close to it. Actually, it's looking like it. Never mind. I was looking at the wrong thing. That's a nice little, like, trend line resistance. Keeps touching.
Really hope it doesn't break the. Or hope it breaks the trend line before news.
Are you gonna get in on a trade? You about to slap? You about to slap NQ with a little trade?
No, no. Doesn't want
looks like NQ's trying to break out of that resistance right now. Doing it.
Might take this platinum trade.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing on you. See if it gives me a little bit of a juice before the news.
It's a hold. Fully?
What's up?
I took a short on the platinum.
Yeah. When'd you get in?
Just now.
I like it. The
Hoping to
the
break.
low of like where I got out originally, like 1023. I want to see it break and retest that to the downside. I like it.
Getting a break.
Earlier this morning we had some resistance there.
And you are right back up. No trade there until news comes out.
I took a long on NQ. I just trimmed most of my position there.
What a candle. What was your entry?
340 when we kind of were retesting like the EMA and the breakout of that trend line.
I see. Yeah.
This is like a 20-point move, or like 17 points, I guess. I just got out because yeah, I don't want to hold into news. I just took the full position.
Good call.
Scalperooski.
Yeah, well, it broke out of that downtrend, and then it was retesting and holding the downtrend and the EMA, so I liked it, at least for like a 20-point move up, you know. Typically, I'd try to hold a contract and see if I can't get like a bigger move if we're reversing, but yeah, I didn't want to hold too long.
What time is news coming out?
In like 9 minutes.
Should we take single contracts of NQ? Stops, just in case.
To what direction? We each pick a different one. You short, I go long. Somebody wins.
Yeah, and then we'll just split the profits. Jesus.
That's actually really smart.
Platinum bounds.
Yeah. That was a nice pullback on him.
See it get into the 10.3. Probably see some movement in platinum at 10 just because of the news.
Yeah, you gonna hold through it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I just gotta kind of move my stops because that potential to just get wicked out and then go the other way.
What's even coming out? Consumer sentiment?
Well, you never know what's gonna move it or not.
Yeah, I never do. For whatever reason, last time FOMC happened, it moved a lot. But that was like the only time I've noticed platinum moving due to news.
I guess.
Hour, 4 hour, 30 minute. They all look
full top.
Yeah.
Big wick.
Just fall.
Like right at the trend line.
Where's your stop currently?
Kind of high. In the 30.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, honestly, if you can swing
It
it
would be higher, I guess.
like 10:30.5, like high day pretty much.
Right. Once it goes in profit, I'll move it. Like probably just follow like the 15-minute candle.
Okay.
If you look at like, I'm watching the 10-minute right now. It hasn't broken the. Every candle has just gotten lower, lower. It hasn't broken to the upside.
I don't even have 10-minute time frame as an option.
Or you could do 15 too.
15 looks
The
good.
9. Well, for you it'd be the 8:15 candle. Hasn't broken to the upside. 8:30 candle hasn't broken to the upside. And now it's on the 8:45 candle.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Hasn't broken it to the upside yet. So hopefully it just continues that way. This candle's gonna close in 3 minutes. Yeah, going that route with my stops helps me be a little better with my stops. Like actually keeping them and knowing where to put them.
Yeah.
Helps me be more disciplined. NQ looks good for a drop.
Keeps bouncing off that, like, 300 area, or 310, I guess.
Just realized my mic was muted that whole time.
Damn.
I was talking to
Said some really important stuff, huh?
dude, nothing. But I was talking to you guys, and I was like, I don't. Do they not like me?
They hate me.
I thought you went to go get some.
Dude, I did, and I got back, and I was talking to you guys, and I was on mute the whole time. Nobody was replying back, and I was just like, all right. I look over, and my microphone's flashing. That'll do it.
You get all pissed off because you think
No, no, not at all. I was just.
Fuck you guys.
I finally unmute, and I'm just.
I'm deleting the spy voice. You have been kicked and banned. What did I do? Come on, Platty. Gotta get out just because it's not moving.
No, stay. Hold it. Hold it. If it breaks 1023, I could see it. I don't know where, but I can see it dropping. Probably down to 1020, I would say.
I feel like the market knows how long my patience is. They're averaging like everyone's patience and
Averaging everybody's.
out soon.
It's been 20 minutes of bullshit.
And we'll send it.
Yeah. Let's give it another 5 minutes. That'll shake him out.
I need to. I'm gonna see what my average hold time is. I've been really working on it. Trade duration?
Should be whole time.
So I guess
Oh, spy.
the most is 3 trades, 2 to 4 hours.
What? You have like an average?
Kinda. It's kind of confusing.
Hmm.
I would say probably like 30 minutes to 2 hours. It's like my average. But I've also only taken like 12 trades on this new account, so it's
And it's all platinum.
yeah.
Yeah, platinum just moves slow.
Oh yeah, for sure. No, if I was trading NQ, that shit would be minutes.
Second.
There's nothing quite like catching a trend on NQ though. Riding it for like 80 points.
Yeah.
Move your
Doesn't
stick
happen.
every now and then.
Yeah, it doesn't happen too often, but when it does, oh my. Pretty nice.
That 100-point trade you got that one time.
That was crazy. I've never duplicated that.
Not yet.
Not yet, that's true. I will say I have had a few trades that ran, 100 points or more that I just got out of, and I come back and I'm like, oh my gosh. I got out at 20, it went for like 120.
Dude, that's what I've noticed. A lot of my winning trades were doing. So I've just been kind of forcing myself to stay. Like if it's a winner, then it's probably gonna just keep going. So I've been really working on it.
And you're only doing like 1 or 2 contracts, right? So you're not necessarily trimming.
Yeah, like this week I think I've only done 1 contract all week. Maybe like 2 on Monday, but yeah.
Yeah, I've been trying to hold, but I'll just take off the majority of my position, hold like 1 or 2 contracts, and try to get a bigger move out of those.
Yeah. Feels good when it happens.
Oh, it does.
I just truly love the winners.
I have been trying to get a little bit bigger moves on NQ though, like going for like 25, 30 points. Today was kind of an exception. It was a little bit smaller than usual, but because it does move so well, it's like, yeah, if you just hold for maybe a couple minutes longer.
Man, you're still in this position, huh?
Just watching it. Breaking much here.
Yeah.
Breaking my trend line, but didn't really continue. Got kind of frozen. You mark it into your trades, really, or
Wait, what is that?
you mark it in?
My marketing?
Limit? No, if you just mark it into your order, or you limit order.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm just buying and selling market.
The spread on this is ugly sometimes.
Yeah, usually when I enter, I'm like immediately down $20 per contract.
Have you tried using the like limit orders on Tradeovate? Like how you can click on the chart? Click on the chart and place orders at like a specific price. I do that for my take profits and for entering. Sometimes I'll enter that way and sometimes I'll do market.
Yeah, for my take profit, I'll do limit orders,
Nice.
but I try not to even have take profits, just stops. But no, I don't ever really enter using limit just because I don't know how price is really acting when we get to certain levels.
For sure. It is nice if you're looking. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's fair. Yeah, I stopped. I used to more often, and I've been doing it less often now because I'm waiting for like candle closes and confirmation at a level before I get in.
Yeah, exactly.
And I think it's helped my win rate, but my entries aren't as good. But that's fine if I'm winning.
Yeah, I've been focusing more on just like catching the meat of the move, not so much trying to time the top and bottom.
For sure.
I had a really bad problem with that for a while.
Yeah, that I think everybody does. They were like, "Oh, if I only got in at the bottom, that's an extra, $200." They try to time it and then just
Right.
get blown out without confirmation.
You just can't see it that way. It'll kill you.
Yeah, honestly, using like the 15-minute candle closes and then like a smaller time frame, like a 5-minute or something as well, and like if those both are lining up, especially around like a area that I've found on like an hour or 4-hour chart, it's been giving me pretty good results in terms of just like probability of it at least working out to the first take profit.
Yeah, I mean that's essentially what I do. Just bigger time frames and then shrink it down to the 15 and 5, sometimes the 2.
It is weird though, because I feel like with trading, like a big thing is like, oh, like find a strategy, develop your strategy, but I don't really have like a set strategy necessarily.
I mean, I get what you're saying, and I didn't really either, and that's why I kind of just made that other one that I sent y'all.
Mm-hmm.
So when that happens, I'll take the trade no matter what. But really, I'm just watching price action like kind of what we've been doing.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
just watching the charts, reading it, how I've learned to read it. Just I've had the best luck with platinum. That's the only reason I've been doing it so much.
That's dope. How's you're on another challenge account, right? How that's going? I've had a couple of winning days.
Yeah, I have. I am up 800 on the account, so I need 2,200 more.
Beautiful.
50, right?
Yeah.
Scream, how are you doing? You still got some accounts funded?
The accounts.
8?
No. No, I only have 2.
Oh, I thought you.
K, though.
That's dope.
I got 2. I got 2 of them.
Dude, my
I'm like 3K away.
let's go, man.
I have to get to 9K. It's
9.
killing me.
Sick.
You have to get to 9K for what? For a payout?
9K for the accounts.
Oh, 150K account.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's a juicer.
I have to get to 9K and then get the account. To get a payout, it's only 5K though.
Oh, that's not bad. Dang.
Top steps is 5 non-consecutive $200 winning days.
5 non-consecutive, you said?
Yeah, like it doesn't have to be back to back. You just have to have 5 winning days above $200, and then you can get your first payout.
Oh, that's not too bad either.
Yeah.
Dude,
That's what I was thinking.
if I could trade in line with how I've been trading on this demo account, the goal would just to get like 10 50K accounts and just copy trade them and just make guap. Dude, if you're looking at like $200 on like a 50K account, that's not much. But that's 2K if you had like 10 accounts, you know.
True.
And that's like almost $500,000 a year. If that was your average, obviously you have to account for losses, but still, 50% of that, you're still over 200 G's a year. That's insane.
Jeez. Yeah.
God, it'd be so nice just to be able to trade for a living and like make a good living.
I mean, obviously it's the goal this year, but I'm fairly confident I will be there.
Dude, it's just, from what I've seen, it usually takes people like at least a couple years to find like their rhythm.
Yeah.
It's definitely not something that you just like start out good at. I feel like I don't know, we're like getting into like the second year of seriously trading. I feel like, I don't know, I'm definitely more consistent. I'm not boom or bust as I was earlier.
Yeah, no, definitely. I've noted big time. I'm just more confident now.
Yeah,
More
man.
confident than I've ever been.
Alright, I might take a very small position on NQ here, short in this area. See. So far, pretty decent. Yeah, it's like just retesting that little area that it was sitting at for so long. Looking weak. I only have 2 contracts though. See if we can ride this thing. That's so close.
You took a short.
Yeah.
Nice.
I had my first take profit like right down in here, but tease me.
If the buy would just go down, it helped the NQ a lot. Because NQ's going down, but ES is just holding.
You still in that platinum trade?
Yeah.
Nice.
Got 2 contracts, so
Solid.
move my stop up as well.
Oh my gosh, NQ just reversed on me. It came so close to hitting my take profit. Oh boy. I'll do it.
Pick you out.
No, it's almost hitting my take profit. I'm just saying, do it. Get me in there.
Yeah.
Just keep. It's like 3 points away. Maybe I should just move my take profit up a couple points. So I at least get 1 contract off.
It's all a big feel thing. If you feel it's the right decision, do it.
Yeah, no, I just moved it up a little bit. There, I got 1 off, and now I just have a runner. Alright.
Stop it, break even.
Yeah.
Do y'all put your stops to break even every time you have 1 runner left? Or however many runners?
If there's enough like distance between my entry and my runner, like if it's made a good move and I'm like, you know, up 20 points or so, then I'll go for it. But if it's like pretty close, then I might just leave it where it was until I get some like breathing room, because I don't necessarily want to get stopped out immediately if it's, you know.
Yeah.
I guess that's,
Where it makes most sense.
yeah. I think it's also with like the volatility at NQ is that it can swing, you know, like 20 points in either way pretty fast. So if you have too tight of a stop, sometimes we'll just stop you out, like even though it's going to go your direction. That's the biggest thing I've learned is, yeah, you have to get bigger wins on it because it can definitely like swing a little heavier. So I have to have like a little bit more wide stop loss. Oh my gosh, this runner is running.
Oh yeah. Hold it. Hold it.
I just moved my stop loss down a bit.
Where's your stop at?
Like 305.
Oh, that's tight.
I know. Maybe I'll move it up just a little bit. We're at 311 now. Give it a little bit more room. Honestly, might take it if it gets down around. Whoa. Oh no. Oh, this is gonna stop me out, I think. Yeah. Alright. Not terrible.
ES doesn't want to. ES is like about to make a new.
Yeah, I've noticed that ES is like all-time highs, while NQ is not even really that close. Definitely been like a bit of a divergence between them.
This platinum trade is pissing me off.
You're still in there?
Hold it.
No. 15-minute candles are like slowly going down. So I'm hitting my stop every time, but. Yeah, yes, new high. Or got really close. There we go. Come on, Flatty.
Oh, you're looking good.
Yes, sir. Oh, nice. Oh my god.
Looking real good.
Take one off there.
I like that.
Hold the other one. Stop at like 25 and a half. See what happens.
Jeez.
Finally.
It's gonna drop.
Up like 400.
Yeah.
Track PLZ.
PLF 5.
PLF
Yeah.
5. Whoa.
What's PLF 5?
That's my ticker for platinum right now.
Yeah, the other ones I was looking at didn't work.
Fine. Spy wasn't spying today.
Should come to the dark side and try the NQ.
I just need to set up my orders and all that. There it is, all-time high.
Crazy.
Scream, you ever get hit with that hurricane or what?
Not over here.
Good.
It's like really, really west. I think closer to you guys, no?
Oh, I haven't been touched, but my wife is coming down to Key Largo tomorrow.
I think it's nice weather right now. It might be a little rainy, but
Not
the wind is
hurricane.
pretty nice.
Cool.
prices this week.
Sweet.
Not hot. Shouldn't be raining.
There's that retest at 1023. You still have one?
Yeah.
I'm kind of hesitant. I don't really want to take any more trades, but this is where I would get in.
It's a shame Platinum doesn't have micros.
I know, dude.
Because that's what I did. I just took it with like 2 contracts, just way size down. Like even if I take a loss, it's fine.
Yeah, that's a big wick. I don't like it.
I love it. I want to get in.
Candle closed in about 3 minutes.
I'm gonna switch to a demo account so I can feel it. .5 stop.
Damn. Yes. Actually, no, it's not all-time highs. All-time highs is like another 10 points.
Yeah, SPY's high was 575 yesterday.
This buddy is not here. A minute.
contract.
Yeah. Like 1024. I'll take it out if it goes back down to 21.
Platinum's going. Oh, nice. Fully, did you get it?
That's like a demo account trade.
Nice. Yeah, that thing's dropping. Holy shit. 5 points in the scandal.
What are you talking about?
Am I delayed?
Yes.
Oh, maybe I don't have the...
Well, it depends what candle you're looking at.
It went from like 1025 to 1020. Is this delayed?
Yeah, that was.
Might be that was the last.
Alright, well, I'm happy for you boys if you're in that. Just get to relive the glory of that drop.
Yeah.
Like, you guys are boosting. What are you talking about? Alright, my bad. I didn't realize I was looking at delayed data for Platinum.
Yeah, it's weird.
Man, NQ is nice. Jesus.
NQ?
Dude, that's they're going down, yeah.
Give it a shot. Give it a short, see if it goes up. I'm joking. I do like trading it. It does take some getting used to, though. Like, I can't imagine. Well, I guess it's all just what you get comfortable with. But like trading it, like not the micros, the minis. Trading that with size, oh my gosh! Just see it swing like thousands of dollars.
Yeah, minis are crazy. I traded that for like a week once and it's insane. Alright, let me trade 5 minis. Next candle just blows up my account.
Yeah, 5 minis. It moves like 10 points. That's $1,000, I think. That's crazy. This swings like 20, 30 points like nothing. Just, yeah. Like one 5-minute candle would be thousands of dollars. It'd be insane. I guess, I don't know. Copy trade, you know, accounts. Trading minis. Get those 6-figure months. What's his name? Oh, what's the dude's name? He trades like insane. He has like 80k days.
Umar?
Yeah, Umar. That guy's nutty. Does with options too.
Does he trade options?
Yeah, man.
That's just too much money.
No such thing.
I wouldn't know what to do with it.
Have you seen his posts? He like buys his like teenage sisters like Ferraris and shit.
Yeah.
Insane, dude. That shit pisses me off. I mean, it doesn't.
His family works for him.
Yeah,
I mean, that makes
sisters are
sense.
really-
Tradezilla.
Yeah.
They're like co-owners of Tradezilla.
Yeah.
you imagine though, you're going to high school, you like show up on the bus, some girls pulls up in like a $400,000 Ferrari. What the fuck are you even doing here? You don't need to be here. Go home.
Those platinum shares going slow.
I want to go get some coffee, but I also don't want to leave this. Ugh.
What are you in right now?
There we
You
go.
still on the platinum?
Yeah. I might just take one off here.
Looking good.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that one off. And just go get some coffee. I'll be back.
Jeez, just dropping.
Platinum?
Yeah.
Oh, so I see. When I was talking about it dropping 5 points, it just moved up.
Yeah, it went right back up.
Gotcha, my bad on that. I wasn't trying to.
No, you didn't do nothing.
I just mean, like, you guys are probably watching your position, like, damn it. And I'm like, oh, it's doing so well.
Yeah.
You're just like, dude, shut up. Oh, man.
Get break even.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't mean to be doing that.
I wonder why it's delayed for you though.
Yeah, well, that's one thing that I don't like about TradeBait is I have to pay for like data on a demo account. I feel like a demo account should just have it, right? Not like I'm making money or anything. And I just
Yeah.
pay for like the cheapest one, so I do like CME top of book level 1. It's $4 a month. I don't know. I feel like that used to include platinum though. I mean, maybe I was always looking at it delayed when you guys were trading it.
Oh, you know what? I don't even pay for any of that stuff.
Oh,
I guess
it's because you're on a
Yeah.
Apex account or a Top Step or
Yeah.
whatever. Yeah. Yeah,
So
I'm on a
just pay
personal.
Top Step, they pay for it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that makes sense.
it does.
Because I was also watching it when I was doing my Apex account, so that's how I had it. That makes sense.
Right back up. do you work next week? Your schedule?
Are you talking me, Fully?
Yeah.
I don't know. It will come out today at some point. But I'm not sure yet.
Somebody just fart.
I don't think so.
You wish.
Got that smell-o-vision, dude.
Fart.
Yeah, it's platinum traits. Damn, it's 70 degrees outside right now. That's crazy.
What's it been? What's like regular? 90s? 80s?
Yeah, so like, I mean, later on today it's gonna get up to like 88. But yeah, low 90s lately.
Okay. Do you get much of a winter? Like, do things cool down, or do they stay pretty warm year round?
No, they do cool down. It's later than everybody else, it feels like. Like, we've had hot Christmases the last like 3 years.
Hmm.
So it'll cool down like February.
Dang.
January-ish.
That's crazy.
Our winters are about 95 degrees.
Yeah, in Miami. That's crazy too. I can't really imagine that.
We get like 1 week where it like drops to like the 50s, and everyone's like freezing, bundled up, triple layered.
Yeah.
It's just usually like a week maybe.
I would visit my family in like the Daytona area around like winter time. And yeah, it'd still be like in the 70s and people would be wearing winter coats.
Yeah, our winters are nice. It's
Just-
not 95, it's like 80s.
I like I have family in Naples, so like southern Florida on the Gulf Coast.
Yeah, it's a nice area.
Yeah, I love to visit in like the springtime before it gets like the height of summer. The weather's just perfect like every day.
Yep.
It is crazy though, dude. I'm so unadapted to it. One of the last times I was there, I like went for a walk, and it was so hot. I was like, I don't know. I felt like I was gonna dehydrate, like, just on the side of the street.
Miserable sometimes.
I mean, I guess you do get a little used to it, but I think about like construction workers in Florida wearing all that safety gear and shit.
Oh, that's insane.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, I feel for them. Construction workers, people who
I mean-
do the bushes and all that.
Yeah, shit, Fool, you're kind of doing that in Houston, right? You're doing some like landscaping
Yeah,
shit.
I was gonna say, I was doing that shit for like 4 years.
Dude. You just lose like 10 pounds of water weight every day you work. Like, I don't know how you do it.
No, going through a gallon of water a day isn't weird.
I mean, shit, I probably nearly drink a gallon a day and I'm not even doing physical work.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
No, yeah, you have to. You will die.
I understand why you're like, I'd rather trade. I'm kind of sick of it.
Fucking anything to make this work, so I can go back to doing that. I'm up pretty good on this position.
Let's go.
Check out this game that's coming out in trade chat. It looks pretty funny. Basically like a Russian roulette, but like with your friends. I don't know if you ever played like Among Us, similar to that.
Yeah, I have. Damn, look at this trade.
Is it going? Oh, nice. Nice.
Are you still
nice.
in it, Scream?
I have one, yeah. Tempted to just take it. I'm up almost 500.
Nice. That's beautiful.
Jesus.
Especially since Spies is just not working for me. I think I'm gonna take that.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I took that. Like how slow it's been. Might get back in if there's a nice climb back up. So I'm happy with that.
Wait, what'd you say?
Maybe I'll get back in if it has to climb back up. I got all out. Satisfied.
Yeah, I took 4 points on that one. Or 5 points, I guess. Alright, cool.
Power of the trend line.
Alright, I gotta go walk this dog.
Alright, guys. Good trades. I'll see you guys. Well, actually, I don't know.
Yep, good trades. We'll see y'all next week sometime, huh?
Sounds good. Yeah, I can just throw it in Discord what my schedule looks like or when I'll be on.
Have a good weekend.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good.
Peace, guys.
Call me when you
Later.
get home.
Later.